Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how you can send bulk WhatsApp using our application, Lead Manager Ninja, to campaigns. For this, select App Launcher and go to Campaigns. Now you can either use existing campaigns or create a new one as well. Once you select a campaign, you can either view all the members or modify it as well. In case you want to remove some particular members, you can remove them by clicking on Delete. Also, if you wish to add some leads or contacts to this campaign, click on the Add List button. Select the records that you wish to add, click on Next, and Submit to save. Be assured that pre-existing records will not be added and duplicates will already be configured and taken care of by your application. Now the campaign will test this feature of our application. Select the campaign that you just created or modified. Select the campaign members that you want to receive the messages. Select the channel that's been set. Now, in case your business has multiple phone numbers, you can select the phone number or sender ID from which you want to send this message. Once done, you can either create a new template of your own or use a predefined template as well. We are using a previously created template. Once inserted, we can now click on Send to send this template message to each of the campaign members.